Hey everyone, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. Jacob Letman here. Before we get going with today's video, I want to help save you guys money on what is one of all of our biggest expenses as rideshare drivers. Fuel, right? Costs us thousands of dollars each year fueling up our vehicles, and now you can save money. All you have to do, go to the video description below. There's a link there for the Get Upside app. You're going to click that, download the app on your phone, and then you go fill up. You're going to save 15 cents per gallon. You'll continue to save on all of your fuel fill-ups nationwide. You can't do it retroactively though, right? Once you download the app, you can't go back and use our promo. You have to download the app using our link in the video description below. So go, video description below, click it, download the app, save money on all of your fuel fill-ups. All right, let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. Jacob Letman here. Before we get started with today's video, I want to give a big shout out to all of our subscribers on the channel. You guys are awesome. You're the reason that we keep making these videos. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, go ahead and do so right now. Click the subscribe button. You'll get updates anytime we come out with exciting and relevant new content like this video here. And on that note, let's get right into this video. So I've been doing a lot of research on Instacart lately, looking for something to potentially do to earn income after all of this craziness with the pandemic starts to die down. And there's a lot of pros and cons to Instacart. Anyway, I made some other videos on that, but I want to get you a video with 5 essential items that every Instacart shopper needs according to what I found from scanning the internet and listening to everyone else and my own 2 cents. So, number 1, this goes universal with all gig apps, rideshare driving, food delivery apps, Instacart. That is a phone mount. You need, and not just any phone mount, you need an easily accessible, what's a good word for it? Just an easy to use, easy to operate phone mount for your vehicle. I really highly, strongly suggest a magnetic phone mount just because it's so easy. You put a magnet on the back of your phone case, right? You've got a magnetic mount and boom, you can just pop it on and off so quickly and easily and be hands-free and still keep your attention on the road. Anyway, that way you can accept batches, no problem, easy peasy. All right, number 2, the Gridwise app. Couple of reasons why Gridwise is an excellent app to get. And if you haven't downloaded it yet, you can get a link for the Gridwise app in our video description below. Just go down there, click on it, download the app. And so Gridwise, basically a one-stop shop. You can put all of the different gig economy jobs that you have. You can register them in your Gridwise app. You can track all of your earnings. A great reason to have it for Instacart shopping is hotspots. You can get insider information on where the best batches are to pick up. And also, there is free unlimited mileage tracking, which is so important for your taxes. It's a huge tax write-off, right? Get the Gridwise app, download it, and use it to track your mileage for Instacart shopping for the tax write-offs at the end of the year. All right, that's number 2. Number 3, and this is required by Instacart, and there's a lot of stories out there of people not using these and it doesn't go well. You need to have insulated bags for your purchases, especially for especially in Arizona, I should say. Hot items, you don't have to worry about it. Stay hot here forever. But frozen foods and hot foods, to keep those insulated bags, will keep them at the temperature that they need to be for longer, so you can pick up multiple batches at the same time and get everyone their items without having a disaster of melting ice cream in your trunk, because that would be terrible. And unless it's cookies and cream and delicious to clean up, it's not worth it. All right, number 4. How about the Get Upside app? Which, if you haven't downloaded that yet, there's also a link in the video description below. But the Get Upside app is going to help you to save money on your fuel fill-ups, which who doesn't want that, right? So if you download it, using our link in the video description below. You're going to get 15 cents off on your initial fuel fill-up, so make sure your gas tank is empty. But then check this out. You can also refer people to the Get Upside app, which everybody could take advantage of it because you're going to save money on all of your fuel fill-ups. You can get cash back on your fuel fill-ups. And the more people you refer, the more money you get back. You can refer so many people, in fact, using the app, that you can get paid to go fill up on gas. True story. Swear. So definitely check that out and save on your fuel fill-ups. And then number 5, this is probably an item that not a lot of people think about. And it's, yeah, okay, so if you're driving rideshare, you know, like the number one thing for Uber and Lyft drivers, I think, as far as choosing a vehicle, is fuel economy. Number 2, I would say, like, reliability, because you don't want your car in the shop as much as possible. Number 1, fuel economy, because you're driving all over the place. However, with Instacart shopping, you want to make sure you have enough space, because if you're going to be taking multiple batches at a time, you need to have enough trunk space, enough back seat space for all of those groceries. So you definitely want to make sure that you have enough space in whatever vehicle that you're going to be using. Toyota Yaris, probably not going to cut it. I had some friends that used to have a Yaris. Anyway, what else? Geo. You guys ever seen a Geo? Anyway, whatever. All right, you guys, those are the 5 essential items that I think all Instacart shoppers need. If there's anything that I left out, of course, get at me in the comment section below. Let me know about how Instacart shopping is going for you. And that's all I got for you guys. All right, I'm Jacob Lettman. This is the Rideshare Hub. Until the next time, you guys, drive safe out there.